morning. Maulan na umaga.
I know you're everything that I've been looking for.
Good morning mga followers spring. Good morning. Maulan po
I look
ngayon.
into your eyes and could not ask for more. So it's only fair to lay it on the line.
Happy Sunday.
I'm gonna need a little
Happy Sunday. Good morning.
But if I ever fall in love again,
Maulan po.
sometime when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the
Hindi ako nagkape. Narinig niyo yung ulan? Maulan ngayon. Happy Sunday, good morning, followers spring. Ang lamig talaga, may umaga, ang lamig. Kailangan mo ang kumot mo, yung makapal, yung ganyan o, yung linabahan kong ganyan. Ito kalalaba ko lang eh. Sinampay ko lang dito. Pero tuyo na. Sige po, thank you for watching.